Listen, I know you've seen 1,000 make money online videos, but here's what's different. I'm not selling you a dream. I'm showing you a skill that entry-level freelancers in Kenya are already using to earn between 5,000 to 25,000 per client, and you only need 2 to 3 clients to hit that 30,000 shillings monthly goal. The skill? Social media management. And before you think that's too competitive or I need a degree, pause. Because here's the truth, businesses are drowning in content. They need help, they're willing to pay, and digital marketing is one of the most in-demand skills in Kenya right now. In the next 7 minutes, I'm walking you through exactly how to learn this skill, get your first client, and start earning. No fluff, just facts. Let's get into it. Now, you might be wondering, why should you listen to me? Fair question. Here's a quick story that's pretty common in the freelancing space. Imagine someone who started with zero experience, no marketing degree, no fancy portfolio, just learned social media management through free YouTube tutorials and affordable courses, practiced by managing their own accounts, then landed their first client for 8,000 a month. Within 6 months, they had 4 clients and were making over 50,000 monthly. That's not a unique story anymore. That's the pattern I've seen repeated across Kenya's freelancing community. And the best part? Most entry-level marketers learn on the job or through short courses. Some even start earning with no degree. You're not behind. You're just starting. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to position yourself as a social media manager worth 10,000 to 30,000 per client, even if you're starting from scratch today. Stick around, because I'm breaking down the exact skills, the client getting strategy, and the pricing model that works. But why social media management? See, every business in Kenya, from that boutique in Kilimani to that hardware shop in Nakuru, knows they need to be on social media. But here's what they don't have: time. They're busy running their actual business. They can't spend 3 hours daily creating posts, responding to DMs, and analyzing what works. That's where you come in. Businesses in Kenya are paying between 10,000 to 30,000 for basic social media management services, which typically includes content posting, monitoring, and creation on 1 or 2 platforms. Think about it. If you charge 10,000 shillings per client and get 3 clients, that's 30,000 shillings monthly. And you can manage all 3 in less than 15 hours a week once you get efficient. This isn't a get-rich-quick thing, but it's a legitimate, scalable side hustle that can become your full-time income. Alright, so what do you need to learn? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Entry-level digital marketers need these core skills: social media content creation, Canva design, basic SEO or blog writing, and post scheduling. Let me break that down. 1. Content creation. You need to know what posts get engagement. That means understanding your client's audience and creating content that speaks to them, whether that's educational posts, behind-the-scenes content, or promotional offers. 2. Graphic design, Canva. You don't need to be a pro designer. You just need Canva. Seriously. Learn how to create eye-catching graphics, carousel posts, and story templates. That's it. 3. Caption writing. This is about writing captions that stop the scroll. Keep them conversational, relatable, and clear. Add a call to action at the end. 4. Scheduling and analytics. Learn how to use tools like Meta Business Suite or later to schedule posts in advance. Then track what's working: likes, comments, shares, website clicks. Here's the thing. You can learn all of this for free on YouTube. I'm talking about dedicated tutorials on Canva, Instagram algorithms, Facebook business pages, all available right now. If you want something more structured, invest in a low-cost course on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. You can get solid training for under 5,000. Now here's where most beginners get stuck. But I don't have clients yet. How do I get experience? Simple. You create your own portfolio. Here's what I mean. Pick a fictional business or even your own personal brand and create a month's worth of social media content for it. Show 10 to 15 posts with graphics, sample captions, a content calendar, mock analytics, showing your strategy. Put this in a Google Drive folder or a simple portfolio website. When a potential client asks, "What have you done?" boom, you show them exactly what they'd be getting. Remember, clients don't care about your CV, they care about results. Show them you can create scroll-stopping content and they'll hire you, getting your first client. All right, portfolios ready. Now, how do you actually find clients? Let's be real. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great options, though Upwork has a strict application process and charges 10 to 20% service fees, while Fiverr is popular for graphic design, writing, and other creative services. But here's the faster route for Kenyans: local outreach. Start with Facebook groups, join local business groups, and offer free value first. Answer questions, share tips, then DM business owners with a personalized pitch. LinkedIn: optimize your profile and reach out to small business owners. Keep it short. Hi name: I help businesses like yours grow their social media presence. Would you be open to a quick chat? Instagram DMs: find local brands with under 5,000 followers. They're the ones who need help the most and can afford your rates. Your pitch should be simple. I can handle your social media for 10,000 shillings a month. That includes X posts per week, graphics, captions, and engagement. Don't overcomplicate it. Confidence plus clarity equals clients. Pricing and scaling. Let's talk money. When you're starting, charge between 8,000 to 12,000 per client for basic management, 3 to 5 posts per week, basic graphics, engagement. As you gain experience, you can raise your rates or add premium services like paid ads management, video editing, influencer outreach, email marketing, intermediate digital marketers with 1 to 3 years of experience in Kenya. Earn between 30 and 150,000 plus monthly as freelancers with multiple clients. The goal isn't just to get one client, it's to get 3 to 5, systematize your work, and scale to 50,000, then 100,000 monthly. So here's your takeaway. Social media management is a real learnable skill that can get you to 30,000 shillings monthly with just a few clients and less than 20 hours of work per week. You don't need a degree. You need consistency, a solid portfolio, and the guts to reach out. Start today, not tomorrow. Today. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real, practical money-making content in Kenya. Drop a comment below. What's holding you back from starting? I read every single one. And hey, if you want to dive deeper, check out the free resources I've linked in the description, including courses on Canva, social media strategy, and client acquisition. Let's get it. See you in the next one.